Sort of an interesting evening here. The rain really coming down.
Yeah, Mother Nature put on a show, too. Take a look at this. This was what it was like to drive through it at one point. Low visibility, and then, Zach, all those big puddles left behind.
Yeah, unfortunately, in those poor drainage spots, low-lying areas, we did get some minor flooding. It was like a towel just wrung out for about an hour or two. Now we have quieted things down over downtown Boston, and we will continue to be on the quiet side through the overnight hours. But that is still bringing us to 1.25 inches out towards Worcester, over that inch mark in Boston, just within a really short time frame, but a stark difference to 1/10 of an inch in Taunton, even lesser amounts out towards Hyannis. At this point, there is still some light rain moving through southern Worcester County, where you saw Uxbridge and Franklin actually got two of the higher rain totals, closing in on the 2-inch mark. We're still dealing with it along the 495 corridor, but the steadiest and heaviest now making its way offshore. The Outer Cape was really the last to catch any of the thunderstorm activity just within the last 30 minutes or so. Through the overnight hours, the showers are going to push off to the east. The clouds are going to follow suit. The humidity drops to a point, but you may still feel a touch of stickiness in the early morning on Tuesday. But the kids are heading back to school. Many first day of school starting tomorrow. By the afternoon, we're doing just fine. Some fair weather clouds overhead near 80 degrees. I think the farther away from the water you get, the warmer it'll ultimately be. There's still a chance of some onshore wind to keep us a little bit cooler at the beaches, so you're likely into the mid and upper 70s, but the bottom line is everyone is dry and relatively bright. Then another wave is going to pass the Great Lakes as we move into Wednesday morning. So not dealing with any issue for the early drive, but by the time the middle and later parts of the afternoon roll around, we are going to see at least some of the isolated activity. So the middle of the week gives us a bit of a shake-up, but all eyes have been on Dorian, will continue to be on Dorian over the next 4, 5, 6, possibly even 7 days. Yesterday, it registered 185 miles per hour, tying it as the second strongest Atlantic hurricane since 1950. Now a Category 4, and on the threshold of a Category 4. 130 miles per hour is really that point between the Category 3 and the Category 4. So eventually it's going to weaken as it slowly moves towards the Florida coastline. But as you see, it is currently stationary and unfortunately bringing widespread issues to the island of Grand Bahama. It has been stationary for the past 24 hours. They've been catching the brunt of the hurricane force winds on top of the storm surge, and all of that is expected at some point to be making its way between West Palm Beach and Daytona Beach, and the storm surge already offshore is upwards of 30 feet. So a lot of water, a lot of beach erosion expected, but the latest information is saying that the bulk of it is actually going to stay offshore. It does not mean that Floridians need to stop preparations or that there's anything less drastic than where we were initially forecasting, but it just seemed to make that little notch to the east than what the 8 p.m. track ultimately said. It will continue to slide up to the north and east, and as it does so, it actually catches a little bit of speed. And the reason behind that is there's a trough in the upper portions of the atmosphere. There is Dorian there with that tight circle. As you start to see this dip here in the red, that is a wave of energy that's actually going to absorb that and kick it off to the northeast very quickly. So we may actually feel some of the effects of that by the later parts of the week. So Friday, we may feel some coastal wind, maybe some storm surge. Saturday included in some of the shower activity too. And those 2 days definitely cooler than the next few. Instead of the 80s, we're discussing 60s and 70s.